Hi folks, Becky with TravelScoot here. Today we're discussing the Omega hook, what it is, and how to install it. The Omega hook looks like an Omega. It's got hooks. It takes the place of the reusable zip ties that are included with the basket when you purchase it. This is the alternative. When you have the reusable zip tie, sometimes folks struggle with the pinch to be able to remove it. If you have difficulty with fine details with your hands, the Omega hook may be the alternative solution for installing the basket. The Omega hook is a separate purchasable item. It's an alternative to the zip ties that come with the basket. This is not included with the basket. This is a separate purchase. The way that we install it, slips around the steering column with the hooks pointed downward, clicks into place. Thanks for watching and happy scooting.